Hi guys, welcome to Technical Math Avian channel. In this video we will do LCM, least common multiple of 16, 30 and 64. These are the values, so let's start. First of all, we have to find the prime factorization of these numbers. So let's start from 16. 16 prime factors. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now prime factors of 30. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now go on 64. Prime factorization of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 32. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now this is the prime factorization of 16, 30 and 64. Now let's understand the procedure. Prime factorization of 16. Here see 2 2 2 4 times 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now prime factors of 30, that is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now prime factors of 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2, 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have to separate common factors. This is common factors. Here you can see that 2 and 2 common, 2 and 2 common, 2 and 2 common. So common factors is equal to 2. We have to write one time 2 from this, 2 from this, multiple 2, 2 from this and 2 from this. Find 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Multiple of common factor is 16. Now non-common factors. Non-common factors are 3 multiple 5 multiple 2 multiple 2, 2 2 5 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 3s are 60. Now LCM is multiplication of common factors and non-common factors. 16 multiplied by 16. I will teach you this question with another method, so first understand with this method. Let's multiply 60 with 16. 16 0 are 16, 16 0 are 60 and 16 6 are 96. So 96 will be the 960. 960 is the least common multiple of 16, 30 and 64. That is the common factor, least common factor. So try this question with another method, that is very simple. 16 multiply 16, 30 and 64. So one time we will find the factors here. See, it will divisible on 2, 2 8s are, 2 15s are, 2 3s are and 2 2s are, again 2 4s are 15 as it is, because it will not divide on 2. 2 1s are, 2 6 are, now 2 2s are 15 as it is, 2 8s are, again it will divide on 2. 2 1s are 15 as it is, drag down. 2 4s are, now 2 1s are 15 as it is, 2 2s are, 2 15s, 2 1s are 3 5s are 1 and 5 1s are 5. This is, so these are these are factors. Now LCM would be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32s are 64, 64 multiply by with this 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 190 here, and now multiply with 5, 5 2s are 0, 10, 0 1 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46, 6 4 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. So 960 is the LCM. So students, see here, from the previous method and from this method, you can see the answer is 960. That is LCM, the least common factor of 16, 30 and 64. And it depends upon you. Any method you can from any method you can solve. And if they ask with prime factorization, then you have to follow the previous method. And if they ask that find the LCM of this number, then you can find this you can also find with this method. Very simple. I hope so you student got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video and subscribe Technical Math BBN channel. Thanks for watching this video.